Walk us through what a Chapter 7 is real quickly.
So Chapter 7 really falls into one of two categories. You're either an individual who falls at or below a certain fiscal threshold. A lot of people, if you're doing any Googling out there, it's called the means test. And basically, if you're at or below that threshold, you're eligible to file a Chapter 7. There's an exception to that. So if you're an individual maybe and you had some business debts or whatnot that kind of got you in over your head, you can get into a Chapter 7. But basically what it does is it liquidates all of your unsecured debts. Now that's not just credit cards or people calling for collections. That's judgment debts. That's medical bills. That's a lot of these big debts that burden people, okay? And so you're able to liquidate all of those in a really relatively quick and cost-effective manner. Now there are a lot of rigors in order to get into that type of bankruptcy that's probably a little more in-depth for this evening, but it's a phenomenal option if you're facing massive amounts of credit card debt, medical bills, judgment debt, collections, etc.
And so basically, Michael, you can wipe those debts away.
Wipe them clean.
And pick and choose what you'd like to keep if you can continue to pay for those debts.
Absolutely.
So, and then we got 13. Now, you want to jump in, or we got a break coming up? Because
we do have a break coming up, but we can address 13. We can jump to the break.
Tell us about 13 so we can come out of the break and
briefly,
answer
a Chapter 13 is a reorganizational bankruptcy. So say, for example, as a lot of people have happened, you get behind on your mortgage payments, or you get behind on a car payment, and you love your house or you love your car and you don't want to lose it, but the bank's not working with you. They're not giving you the answers that you want. So you can file a Chapter 13 to be able to reorganize those debts and save your house, save your car, save these things that you want. Additionally, maybe you make too much money to file a Chapter 7, but you still need to get rid of that credit card debt. You still need to get rid of those judgment debts. You can file a Chapter 13 and liquidate it at the end of a repayment plan. Either way out, you're guaranteeing a clean slate and a fresh start.